You know why I'm shouting. You know.
Let me just tell you something. In your life, don't you ever raise your voice at me again. Don't you know I'm your elder sister? Are you mad?
Oh. So you know you're my elder sister. Why don't you act like one? Act like one, Ebere. It's very obvious your conscience is pricking you. Why don't you go ahead and confess?
Confess what? Confess to what?
Oh, you see why I don't like you? I don't like you because you lie too much.
Who is the liar? Are you mad? Are you stupid? For your information, you have no claim whatsoever you know about Vicky's money. Do you hear me? Do you hear me? Stupid girl. Now get out. Get out. Get out of the table. I've not done. That is big for nothing food. Imagine. I should confess.
Okay. So what time are you coming tomorrow? Yeah, I've spoken with my parents already. Uh-huh. Excuse me? No, what do you need 200,000 naira for? Okay. It's enough. I'm sorry for raising my voice. I didn't mean to. Yeah. Let me call you back, okay? Alright.
Yeah, who's that? It's Joy. Please, may I come in?
This atmosphere. This girl, this atmosphere. Wait, what is it? What do you want?
Please, there's something I would like you to look at.
What is it? Come inside.
Sorry for disturbing you.
Sorry for yourself. What is it?
Please, can I sit?
Sit where? Stand there. Move from the door now. And just they slow.
Sorry, there's something I really want you to look at.
Look OZ. What I want to see?
Let me show you.
I say stand here. The chain where you carry for head, they heavy you.
Sorry.
Let me see.
Please take a look at this.
Hey, Vicky. What's up?
Ebere.
What's up?
Are you? Wait.
What's up?
Are you the one?
What's happening?
Ebere, so it was you. Ebere. So it was you.
They move sometimes. They move. No,
I was busy accusing Kate. So it was you.
No, I promise. No tell her.
I should not do what?
If she doesn't tell our father, I promise you I will tell him.
You're very stupid. Shut your mouth. If you don't mind this girl now, I beg now.
Are you okay? Don't ever try to hit me again. Are you stupid?
And if I hit, what will you do?
Shut up. See Cloud.
Don't mind.
Cloud, you open mouth.
Yeah, nah.
Yeah, you hit her. Shut up. They shout for my room.
Nah,
what is for you? Come on, shut up your mouth.
I go pay you back now. Don't tell yourself. I go pay you. No verse. No verse.
You messed up.
No verse.
You messed up.
No
verse for waiting.
I mean.
Eh?
Hey, Uche, my baba, Uche, my guy. Uche, good afternoon.
And good afternoon.
I am so very happy for you. I heard that the prince has finally paid your sister's bride price, and that he disguised himself so that our people will not know that he is a prince.
Thank God it's coming from you. So when I told you that my sister is getting married to a royal blood, thought I was lying. You did not believe me. You were spreading my name and my family name. That I was lying and my sister is doing prostitution in the city, blah blah blah. Thank God you know.
I am sorry now. I am sorry. I'm still your baby.
Sorry for yourself. See, let me tell you now. My slogan is Onye Kene Sonny. Sonny Kene. If you greet me, I greet you. If you do not greet me, go your way.
Uche.
You see me now? I'm an in-law to the royal blood, the royal family.
Uche. Uche, I'm your baby, including me.
Baby, but why are you bound? See, let me tell you, I did not include you, but if you include yourself, you are included. It's a very simple thing. Let me shock you again. If you like, doubt again. I'm talking to you now, presently now. You see me with shovel. I'm not a leper. I'm an engineer, a site engineer. Which site? The site, the Igwe, my in-law, is building a house, a duplex for me. I used to work as a landlord.
Uche, wait. You mean the Igwe is building a house for you?
You have not seen anything. If you still doubt again, like I said again, you got side that take your left. Take your right a little bit. You will see where they are building a house. Go and confirm. Me, I feel my Bible and your order. I say, hey, still 4 blocks up. Hey, you miss the cement.
Uche, wait.
It what, yeah? It what, yeah? Don't wait, you.
Chai, did you fuck up? Uche! So the Igwe is building a house for Uche?
I want Akpan to move into the main building with Kate since they are now married.
Honey, you mean Akpan should join us in the main building?
Yes.
Honey, are you planning to employ another gate man?
I have not said so, but Akpan will join Kate at the end of each day.
But, and if I would suggest, I think it's better for Kate to join Akpan at the gate man's house.
No. I want Akpan to join us in the main building.
As you wish, Your Majesty. Honey, I overheard you speaking with Onowo on the phone last night. Are they still persuading you to take a second wife?
I don't want to talk about that outside here. Maybe when we get inside.
Gamai, good morning.
Good morning, Katie. How are you?
I'm fine. Let me take this food to my husband.
Okay. Kate. Is it true that Akpan will join you in the main building?
Yes. Do you have any problem with that?
I have no problem, I have no problem.
Okay.
Sorry. I also heard that the new mattress I bought yesterday was talking to your new room.
Yes, Igwe changed our mattress.
Are you serious?
Yes, so Igwe has been nice.
Igwe is trying for you people.
I know. That's all.
Yeah.
Okay.
Huh? Igwe bought a mattress of 80,000 naira for common gate man. Small time now, he'll be hanging shoulder for me as a senior in this place. Okay, there's no problem. After we'll know be who. So Badro.
This wine is very sweet.
I know you will like it. I know.
It's very, very sweet.
Easy, oh, easy. You're not totally okay.
Pour another one.
Eh? Take it easy, oh. Eh?
Toka.
I'm just enjoying the way you're drinking this thing.
Drink with me.
No, don't go ahead. Guys, see here now. See here. Yeah, sip on wine now. Don't worry.
Drink with me.
Next one I'll pour, I'll drink.
Okay.
You want to finish it? Finish it, come on. It's entering. It's entering. Eh?
Nato. Hey, my girl.
Hey, and I begging on me. And I begging on me. And I begging on me. Oh me. Oh me.
Otoka.
Yes, I know. Another one. Yes.
Hello? Okay, okay.
Where is that man? It's morning already. And he left without even waking me up. I feel so weak. Who is that?
It's Favor.
Come in.
Good morning.
Good morning.
The queen wants to see you immediately.
Where is she?
She's at the living room.
Tell her that I'm coming.
Good morning, my queen.
Kate!
Yes, my So if I hadn't sent a maid to wake you up, you would have still been in bed by this time?
I'm sorry, my queen. I overslept. It will never...
Keep quiet!
Yes, my queen.
I did not ask you to apologize because I don't need it. Next time this repeats itself, I'm going to punish you severely. Am I understood?
Yes, my queen. I'm sorry.
Get out of my sight. Come back.
Ma? Yes, my queen.
I have noticed that my husband favors you in everything. But notwithstanding, if I find out that your marriage to Akpan is affecting your job in this palace, I'm going to send you packing. Am I clear?
Yes, my queen.
Get out of my sight, get out.
Thank you, my queen.
Oh, what is this man still doing here now? Eh? Digo has warned me not to open the gate for you. Stay there now. Keep running. Oh, your plan is for me to lose my job. Eh. Okay. Han more. If I am new.
What is wrong with this gate man? Where the hell are you? Someone's open the gate for crying out loud. Damn. On now, baby. On.
Akpan!
My queen, is that same man?
Who is there? Who is at the gate?
What Mother,
Yes.
did you ask Papa not to open the gate?
No, I didn't. I'm just coming out now.
So what the hell have you been doing?
My fiancé has been honking for the past 10 minutes and you left the gate unanswered.
My princess.
Are you mad? Eh? Also, mother.
Vicky, calm down. Vicky, calm down. Vicky, calm down. Vicky!
Sabi, you don't get mad.
Vicky!
Eh? Say I go run you straight for this country. You say this idiot.
Chimo, Vicky. Mama. Akban.
Stand up there.
Akban. Vicky, I'm killing. Vicky, I'm killed. Akban.
Mama, leave her there sleep. Better bring water when they revive him. He's sleeping. Which die. Stand up and open the gate.
What kind of heart do you have, this girl?
I said stand up and open the gate.
Vicky!
Why did you know?
It's a lie. He's not a prince. Look at the way he's dressed.
Felicia, you like arguing, eh? Didn't you notice the royal convoy that came with them that day? Keborisi, eh?
Then why was he dressed like a common man?
The idea was to conceal his real identity. Who knows what Ijoma and her daughter must have told them concerning our people? Okay. So, Mami in a copyco.
He even came with their royal guards. Come here for you. Oh, good afternoon.
Well done. Bye-bye, oh.
You just belittled yourself. Look at the way you greeted her. Look at the way she responded to it.
Felicia, let me tell you the truth. Ijoma deserves our respect now.
Respect.
She's no longer the Ijoma you used to know yesterday. Level, yeah, Bagotago. Her level has changed, so you better.
So you think I will submit and worship Ijoma? Even if what you just told me now is the truth, I will never, over my dead body.
Felicia, you are just getting angry over nothing. You better wake up, oh. What am I even doing here? Let me go and apologize to Ijoma. I am Meme.
Also, were you around this afternoon?
I was. Around though.
What happened to Abba?
When I came out, I saw him lying on the ground and the girls were pouring water. Her mother and Vicky were just standing there. They said it was Vicky that hit him something and he fainted.
Are you serious?
Just thank God. Thank God that nothing happened to that guy. Because when I saw him lying down on the ground, I thought he would not even wake up again. Thank God for the water. It was the water that even revived him.
Did her fiancé let her come like she said?
He came. It was the reason Vicky nearly killed that man. Because he refused to open the gate for Tony. But father came outside and told him to go or else he will arrest him or something.
Where is Vicky now?
I don't know.
So your father thinks he can humiliate me because I'm not a prince?
Calm down. But you see that palace? I will raise it down. I will burn down that palace. I don't even care anymore. Since they don't want my happiness, nobody's going to have peace in that palace until my father does the needful.
I've never been so humiliated like this.
What? You again? Oh,
God's name is this nitwit doing here? Excuse me? Babe, you told me you were done with this beast. What is she doing here? Wait a minute. Did I just hear you call me a beast?
Please, please, everybody, please!
Tony, you're saying please? You sit here and watch this idiot call me a beast and you're quiet? Get out of my fiancé's house. I mean, leave here now, else I'll get you arrested, and this time, you won't come out so easily. Get out!
Lucy, take it easy.
Take what easy?
Take it easy.
Take what easy? Tell this harlot to leave here now. Tell her to leave, because I won't have her ruin my relationship with you. Tell her to leave. Did you just call me? I said leave my fiancé's house!
Oh my God.
I won't have her ruin my relationship with you. I am going to kill this bitch and I will bow it for it. I don't.
No.
You're looking at me. Leave! Leave!
No, please.
I will bust your head.
Please.
I go bust. You don't say my head no the asshole.
Stop.
I go bust your head. Leave. You're wearing me. You don't. Where are you?
No.
Don't try me. Don't try me. Leave now. Leave this.
Who is this young man that my daughter doesn't want to let go of? The same man that has been claiming to be my husband's son in my dream. Who is he? Huh? Does he want?
You are crazy! Eh? I have been outside like a knocking for over 20 minutes and you're here gallivanting! Bloody blighter! Idiot!
Victoria.
Mother, what is it?
Where are you coming from?
Please, I am not in the mood to speak to anybody right now. Just let me be.
Victoria!
Mother, I said let me be! Huh?
No more. Huh? No more. What is wrong with her? Huh? Where is she coming from?
Fuck. That idiot. I won't let her. No, I can't let her take Tony away from me. Who's there? Who's there? Mom, please, let me be. I don't have time to talk now. Just let me be. You are a wicked mother. Mother, I said leave me alone. Go away, leave me alone. I don't need you to talk to me right now.
Baby, it's me, your mother. Please. Baby, please.
Mom, please, I am begging you. Go away. Leave me alone. That little nitwit. I'm going to squeeze life away from her. I'll squeeze everything.
I am going to disown her when next I see that young man in this compound. Can you imagine
of a king. Look at the kind of irresponsible man she's going out with. What is the meaning of this? Where's your mother? Where's she? Now, what happened to her?
She refused to open the door.
That girl.
I think she fought with somebody.
She must be stupid. Now talk to her. Because the next thing I'll do, I'll disown her. And that is serious.
Mother, I'm having the feeling Vicky met Tony's mistress and fought her.
You mean the same girl that sent her to sell the other time?
Yes. No one knows what happened. You know how heartless my sister can be. She's very, very heartless.
Honestly, I am tired. I'm tired.
I know, Mother. Mother, I think you should speak to Ugo about this. We really need to find out what really happened. You know she's the only one she listens to.
Can you get to go for me? Vicky, what have I done to you in this house? Why do you want to kill me, this girl?
Oh no! Oja kanaka. Hey,
You like it?
There's one. Oh no! Have you spoken with the Igbe of recent?
Yes, I did. I spoke with Igwe yesterday.
Okay.
And I asked him how he is. He said he was fine.
Oh no! I can't see you this morning because of the dream I had last night. Ha! It was terrible!
Is it about our Igwe?
Yes! Oh no! In my dream, the Igwe was shot by assassins. Yes! And he died! And we were all crying. You know why we were crying? The Igwe died without leaving an heir to the throne.
May the gods forbid such evil will not happen to our land.
Oh no, this dream is a warning to us. We have to do something very, very fast before it's too late.
Yes, I spoke to Igwe, but he said all is well. That we should not, trouble ourselves, that all is well.
He will keep saying that, oh no. Yes, he will keep saying that. You know why? Because he still believes that Queen Elizabeth will still give him a male child. Hey.
Anyway, we pray that nothing happens to our Igwe. Yes, that is my prayer. Let's pray, because this is your dream.
Kate. 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 Come in. Kate, good morning. How was the night?
Very fine, sir. I brought you your coffee.
Thank you. Put it in the chair.
But you need to take it, sir, while it's still hot.
Yes, I will.
Okay, sir.
How is your mother? You hearing from her?
Yes, she's fine, sir.
All right. You can go.
Vicky, you have to stop this. Why would you want to kill yourself over a man that doesn't love you? Don't say that.
Sonny loves me and you know it. It's that idiot that keeps forcing herself on him. Trust me, I am going to deal with her. I'll get rid of that nitwit.
Vicky, don't do anything funny. I'm saying my own now. Don't do anything funny.
Does it look like I care what anybody thinks right now? I don't. Oh well, father has threatened to disown me. Let him go ahead and do his worst. I don't care. I don't bloody care.
Vicky, you need to calm down, okay? Just calm down.
Just stop telling me to calm. Just stop. Stop telling me to calm down. Don't ask me to calm down. That is a man I love and you're asking me to calm down. Why? You know.
Good morning, mother.
God bless you, my daughter. How was your night?
Very well, thank you.
Victoria, why did you refuse to answer me throughout yesterday? Victoria, I'm talking to you.
But I'm not in the mood to talk to you right now.
Are you out of your mind? I am asking you question and you are telling me you are not in the mood. What happened to you yesterday?
Your husband has threatened to disown me. Tell him to go ahead and do his worst. I don't care what anybody in this palace thinks right now. I am going to do whatever makes me happy. You all don't want me to be happy, but no, I won't take it.
Vicky, calm down, okay? Just calm down.
Ugo, I don't want vex. I don't want vex. Ugo, leave me alone. Please.
Can you see the way she's talking to me? Can you see the way she's talking to me without respect? Victoria. I will not allow you to fall into fire in the name of happiness.
And in the name of Jesus, I will fall into happiness, mother. Let me be.
Make love to me now before you start saying, before you start feeling sleepy.
Oh, Kate, honestly, I'm so tired. I'm so tired. I'm so tired. Just allow me to rest, okay?
Why is it that you don't like to make love to me? You only want to make love to me when I'm drunk.
Yes, but,
You know what? Is there something you're not telling me?
No.
Oh, yeah, make love to me now.
Okay, easy now. You want to take me, right?
Yes. Yes, I want to take you.
You want to ride me, right?
Yes.
Come on, ride me, baby. Oh, my God.
Aban, what is this? Aban.
Ay.
Aban.
Water.
Aban.
Water. Ay. Ay. Water. Ay. Water. Hey. Ooh. Ah. Hey. Water.
Lucy, please stop this. Calm down and listen to me for once.
You're talking because I'm still standing here. Please, if you're done talking, let me know so I can go.
I can't have you stand here and talk to me like this. We can't be shouting outside. Let's go home. Let's go to my side.
I'm not going anywhere with you. See, you can't keep toiling with my emotions. No, I'm not going anywhere with you.
Lucy, forget about this emotion stuff. I'm not telling you to emotions.
You're
I love you.
You're joking, please.
Why you stop? You know you are the one that I love. I'm not playing with
For
your
how
emotions.
long? For how long are you going to do this? I'm not going anywhere with you.
But you know you're the one that I love. Stop doing this to me.
That's your
We are
business.
shouting. Everybody's looking at us.
Let them watch. It's none of my business.
Jesus! Jesus! Go down. Jesus! Go down. You move. Shoot. Jesus! 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 Please don't shoot. Please! Jesus! Jesus! Hey!
So why the hell is this idiot calling me? What business do we have? You call from now till tomorrow. I'm not picking these calls. Bastard.
What is it now? Vicky Tony is outside the gate. So?
Now why you dey scare me like that? I don't understand. He has been calling my phone. I am not taking his calls.
Vicky, I think there's a problem. You need to pick his call.
Pick his call and say what to him exactly? No, what? What am I saying to him?
Vicky, he said his mistress has been kidnapped. And he knows you are behind it. You masterminded it.
Listen, babe. I am not taking... You see this guy? I am not talking to him over the phone. I don't bloody care. Oh, he thinks I kidnapped his girlfriend. He must be stupid. Do I look like a kidnapper to him? On Apwala?
Then if you don't, just come out and tell him. Just come out and say him if you're not going to take his call.
Auntie, now God name and say beg you to see me, so I did solely to do. I did a rest. Now my me time with this. I don't need you to come and give me stress.
Oh, shut. I said I'm not going. And that's it.
Vicky,
we'll go.
Vicky, I don't like this. Come, let's go. This is getting serious.
I am not going.
Take your call then.
What is wrong with this idiot? I will break this phone.
Vicky, pick your call.
I'll break this phone. And if I break, I'll chop the SIM card.
If you're not picking your call, then come outside.
I said I am not going.
Vicky, go out there. Go down there and see that guy. Let him go before your father sees him.
You know better. You better pass now. That's what makes it better. If father sees him, he's going to lock him up. I beg, you people should just leave me alone.
Victoria, go down there and sort out things with him. Let him go.
Mother, I am not going downstairs to sort anything with him. If he wants to stay there, he can join the guards. Maybe get a uniform and join them as one of the guards. I don't bloody care. I'm not going downstairs to see him. Capiche?
Finish.
Mama dirigio Chineke bo. Mama dirigio Onyama. Yekele dirigio onye na-eme mma. Mama dirigio. Yekele dirigio onye na-eme mma o. Yekele dirigio onye ọrụ ebube. Mama dirigio Chineke bo.
Good morning. What are you doing in my house?
I came to see you, please. Do not drive me away. Oh, Biko.
What do you want?
I came to apologize to you over my attitude towards you in the past. Biko.
Mama Ako, after everything, you are here with apology.
Biko. Felicia. I'm not like that. Felicia,
I know why you came. You have discovered that my daughter is not a prostitute. That is why you are here.
Please, forgive me. It was Felicia that misled me. I am not like that. You know me now. Biko, no. Ezigbo oyi mo. Na-eno m anya no. Biko gbara m gbara.
You will be that now. Wait. Don't break it down. Hold on first. You're disturbing somebody. Stop disturbing. Hold on. That is not your gate. Yeah? Can't you rest? Can't you allow somebody to rest? They ask you to stop coming here. Yeah?
Open this gate.
Open which gate? Are you a pataka on this gate? Open gate. You're commanding somebody anyhow. What is your problem? Stop it, my friend. Can't you go home and rest?
I'm watching you in this compound. You misbehave in this compound.
We are looking for one Princess Vicky.
Police, good afternoon. She's inside. Oh, hold on. You should wait.
Good day, officers. What may we do for you?
We are looking for one Mrs. Vicky.
Princess Vicky.
Officer, this is the big fat ass. This is the girl. Arrest her. Now.
Are you Princess Vicky?
Yes, I'm Princess Vicky.
You're under arrest for the alleged kidnaps of one Miss Lucy. You are expected to remain silent because anything you say here or do here will be used against you in a court of law.
Wait, officer. Officer, take it easy. Take a good look at me. Do I look like someone that can kidnap another? Eh?
Madam, you have to be silent. When we go to the station, you now make your statements.
Officer, my sister here is not a kidnapper. She has been in her room all day.
Shut up your mouth, accurate timekeeper. Who asked you?
What's new about her? Officer, you see? You see them? Officer, arrest her. Do your job. Arrest this big fat ass.
Babu, because you managed to change your shirt today, you have the guts to bring these people to come to my father's house to arrest me, Abi? Eh? You are a very, very stupid human being. And I will make sure I deal with you.
You will pay for what you do. You are heartless.
You made me your source of income.
Yes.
Now you brought police to come and arrest
you
me.
You will pay.
I will deal with you.
You made Lucy to disappear and you will pay for it. You will pay for it.
Keep quiet. Oh, Bamba, why
Officer,
you
do your
my
job.
face, idiot?
Move!
So you had the guts to do
Move! You think because you're your father's house, you can talk to anybody anyhow. Move!
Can we move?
With your cheap chain. Pray me thunder, no strike. Me no strike you and your cheap
Yes, but when you were dating me, you know I need to keep chain. Move!
Kate!
Greetings, my princess.
Greetings, and you are sitting down. Are you sick or something?
No, my princess. I'm sorry, my princess.
You're sorry. Oh, you now sit down to answer me. My princess. Huh? I can see. Because you gave birth to a boy. Now you think you are so big and mighty, right? Well, I have come to inform you that you resume duties tomorrow morning. My room should be the first place you clean tomorrow morning.
Yes, my princess.
Yes, my princess, indeed. Anyway, remind me that your son's name again.
Akunya, my princess.
Wait a minute. Can you repeat that again?
Akunya, my princess.